Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mom's guide to a basic makeup look. Ripping yourself up and making you look like you got some sleep last night. And my original video, I filmed this. I had Kennedy with me and I filmed it and it was fine. It's probably not even terrible. I haven't even watched it. But she was very fussy because she was very tired. So instead of forcing her to sit through another video with me while I film, I decided to just lay her down. Hopefully she will sleep through most of this video. Being a mom is hard and it has its tough moments, but it is also so rewarding and so great. And I know a lot of moms who dedicate like their whole life to just being the great mom that they are. And I feel like it's really important for moms to take some time to themselves and also feel good about themselves and sometimes just put the baby down and just get yourself ready and dolled up. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys a very basic makeup look. For me it's basic. I mean, I do full glam looks all the time, but I know a lot of you have been wanting me to just show you guys just a very basic makeup look that you can just wear out and it looks very refreshed, like you've got a full night's rest. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and comment any comments below if you guys want to see more videos about like my mom guide to beauty or just anything like that. So let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Dior Skin Forever. I just got this foundation and I'm going to be doing a review video on this foundation. I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation. And I'm just going to blend this in. I'm only going to be using a couple of brushes today. I'm not even doing an eye look really. I'm really just going to be applying some foundation and some concealer just to conceal any bags or sleepy, tired eyes you may have. So yeah, I'm just doing a very, like I said, a very basic look. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm just going to apply it in these little corners here. I just want to brighten this area. I'm just going to put a little here too. I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and I'm just going to blend that out. Really, I just want to like brighten up this area because you want the center of your face to kind of look bright and awake and alert. So that's what I'm pretty much just doing, is I'm just taking the concealer, covering up any dark discoloration under the eyes. Okay. And now that that is done, and I'm going to take my setting powder. This is my Cover FX setting powder. And I'm not baking it or anything, I'm just going to take any excess powder. And I'm just going to set my face with all of it. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer. After I've set my face, I'm going to take the Hoola from Benefit, and I'm just trying to warm up my face so I don't look pasty or like washed out. So I just take a little bit on a kind of a fluffier brush, tap off the excess, and I'm just kind of blending it around. You don't even have to be super precise. I mean, granted, you don't want to like put it everywhere, but I'm just kind of dusting it, I guess, in a sense, all over the kind of outskirts of my face, just to give my face a little bit of some dimension without, you know, looking like a full sculpted makeup look. So as you can see, that kind of just added a little bit of like color to my face so I don't look completely washed out or all solid color on my face. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of some blush. I'm going to take a little bit of some blush, and this is the color Wild Rose. And I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks and up. Because like I said, I want to look fresh and refreshed from the day or the lack of sleep that I had from the night before. For me, I personally like a little bit of highlight. This is the stuff you can skip if you don't have it at your house, but for me, it helps me feel like I'm kind of like glowing from the outside instead of just, you know, on the inside. And I'll take just my beauty blender and I will just add a little bit on my cheeks and on my nose, a little up here, right here, basically anywhere you want to look glowy. And I'm just putting a little bit because I just want it to look really natural. And then for me, when I'm on a, like, I'm short on time or something, I will usually forego doing my brows. For me, I can just get away with wearing a little bit of mascara. So I'm just going to apply some mascara, and this is the Luminous Lash Paradise in the color Mystic Black. So that is how that looks. And I'm not going to apply any mascara on the bottom because I don't want to look like super like glammed out or anything. So I'm just going to let whatever residue from my mascara touch the bottom. Pretty much for me at this point, you can either put a little bit of lip gloss or you can put some chapstick on. For this look, I'm just going to put a little bit of chapstick on. And I'm just going to take the EOS . Because I just really want to go for a really natural, bright, ready to go out and not really have to worry about looking like I have dark lines. So this is pretty much the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a really quick basic tutorial, but I know how much I personally like to just have a little bit of makeup on for when I go out, and this doesn't take very much time. If I wasn't filming, it'd probably even take less because I'm not concerned about how the camera sees it. But for me, it usually takes between like less than 10 minutes at least to apply my makeup and just be ready to go for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see any more mom guide beauty tips that I have or anything like that. And make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!